Okay, so this is the box for today. We'll see what's in it, and then I would like a price on entire contents, please. What did I pay for its entire contents? A bit later, we'll do a history on the oldest item in the box. I'm sorry it's still blurry in and out. Still haven't got a Patreon. Remember, it's 99, 99, 99, 99 per month. You've got the nice big thumbnail up there. That's crazy, that is. Okay, I wasn't really interested in that. Nor this one till I see it just now. Man G1. Oh, this is an Acer again, an Acer. So strange shape. So it's got a lot of writing on there. But I think that's just a code for the thing. It's got its name in here. And in here, but the head's a funny shape for an adjustable spanner. And this is a close-up on the actual thumb wheel end. This is the other end. The first end was knurled. Amazing. That becomes interesting. This is the one. This is the one I wanted because I haven't got anything like this. I'll have to look this up in my junior encyclopedia. No, it's not really a junior encyclopedia. It's the go-to book in England. This is by Ron Giesing. He's got an awful lot of spanners. You can find him on YouTube. I think he's got around 5,000 spanners now. And it's a very useful book. So this spanner is a budding spanner. It was registered. Both Budding and Clyburn knew each other, and this design was registered 1 month for Clyburn's. Clyburn's wheel went in the middle, and the Budding wheel went on the back. The Ferriby company were the first company to produce these spanners. These spanners were produced for over 100 years. From 1843, they could still be found in shops in the 1950s. Other companies went on to produce them, like this one, Budding's Improved Spanner. This was by S.A. Daniel in Sheffield. This one here is the original 1843 patent one. This is what they all carried on down to evolve from. As this is the original worm drive adjustable spanner, shouldn't we all have one? And this one, and this one, very different. I mean, that's incredible for a variation of a spanner. This Fabrics 440/14. It's cost me £7. I think that's a bargain for £7, a 14-inch unusual pipe wrench. So that's going to get a clean shortly. And the shiny King Fuller UT knife, £5.50. That's about $6.50, $7. Weren't too good to start with, but it didn't half come out well. Pleased with that. Okay, take care, have a good rest of your night, and bye for now.